Disclaimer, no investment advice provided. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Good morning, everybody. Swayze is here. It's Friday the 25th of the 6th, 2021. It's 11:28 a.m. and the markets are live. Right, guys, let's have a quick look. Let's recap a few tickers. I'm going to try and make this video relatively short. I'll put some time codes in the YouTube description box, okay? And I've got a few tickers in mind. Let's just jump to the charts. Let's cut out the waffle today and jump to the charts. And let's start with AVCT. Just wanted to do a recap on AVCT. Let's just close that. Right, looks like we nailed the bounce with AVCT. Pretty much nailed that bounce. We drew this macro chart out weeks and weeks ago. As I stated in my previous videos before, this is the power of an effective method of technical analysis. It's a system that you use. Someone was chatting to me yesterday on Twitter, seems like a really nice chap, and he said he would never use the charts just to calculate positions, entries and investments. And I said to him in the Twitter conversation, listen, no one's saying just use the charts. Yeah, technical analysis should be used as an ally, right, and a useful tool to complement strong fundamental research and other strategies that you might have. So we're not saying it's a one solution fits all for everything. What we are saying is that a strong price action system of technical analysis can prove very, very handy as a support mechanism. But you got to learn the system. You know what I mean? It can verify ideas. It can offer confidence. It can take away fear, right? Because fear is very prohibitive in our growth as human beings, in my opinion, right? So a strong system of TA can definitely assist and help. I just want to give a quick shout out to Benjo, one of our students, who's been in the Discord for nearly a year now, and fabulous call with GDR. So if we jump to the charts on the 18th and we look at Benjo's chart, right, he called with his. I wasn't even tracking GDR because I can't. I'm just one guy. I can't possibly hope to track all the tickers that I wish I could track. But because we're building a powerful community, we've got loads of eyes on targets now, right? So Benjo was tracking GDR with descending triangle, and using this system of technical analysis that he's been diligently studying for nearly a year now. And he detected a bullish engulf at a key location, doing what it should be doing without going into all the details. Anyway, what's GDR up nearly 35% today? So congratulations, Benjo. It's really great that you're coming along with your skill set, mate, which complements your strong fundamentals, because I know that you're a diligent researcher. Right, okay, so looks like we called AVCT. I mean, there's beautiful market structure up ahead. I'm not saying it's going to go all the way to the top, but at the minute we've just got, like, on the third day since its recovery and bounce, and we've just got some lovely green buying candles, right? Let's just screw down to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, it seems to be forming a nice bounce back channel by the looks of it. I've not plotted that channel out. It's about to encounter some EMAs. Let's see what happens, but so far so good. You could have closed out of that move already with a beautiful swing move, right? Bank the profits and then look for re-entries. Yeah, you don't just one move doesn't fix all. There's multiple strategies, not investment advice, of course, but there's multiple strategies that one can employ to try and become profitable from the markets. Right, let's have a look at Barron Oil. I do feel sorry for those guys. Yeah, Boyle. It's not the most flattering of tickers, right? Barron Oil sounds better than Boyle, right? Why can't I find this ticker? Let me just do a manual search, because it just looked like I've had it charted for a while. It's been in a downtrend. Yeah, 13% up currently with Boyle. Looks like it's finding some nice support. Looks like price is trying to break out of this downtrend that we've been in. We've got the macro chart in front, the big picture. if we just zoom out price action, we've got like it's a pullback height, this channel in a larger move in play, much larger move, but that doesn't matter at the minute. So we've got this channel here selling off. At the minute, price is up. Looks like it's trying to break out, similar to OEX, which we'll look at next. And price, a lot of buying activity coming in. Price is currently at 0.0820, and it's currently at 13.1%. So I'm looking for a nice strong close with Barron Oil PLC. Let's just jump into OEX because I've been tracking that for quite a while. Okay, appears that we've got price tried to break out yesterday, as we can see with OEX. Price is currently at 0.240, and this channel we'd drawn quite a while back. This is not by chance, not by coincidence. Price couldn't close above. Price yesterday touched, 0.247 before, something like that. Let's have a quick look. Just get it right. I could go to the exact numbers on the charts, but yeah, like just over 0.247. Sold off a little bit. Closed within this downtrend. So today's interesting, right? Because we seem to have price now using previous resistance as new support, which is what the markets, how the markets move many times. I've seen this move play out so many times. It's absolutely crazy. So previous resistance becomes new support. We've got the daily chart, and then we've got some decent buy-in, and it's currently 4.22% up on yesterday's close. Price is currently, like I said, 0.240. If the buyers can come in and sustain this buy-in, we've got some levels of resistance ahead, but potentially there's some lovely market structure ahead with OILX. Is it OILX? OILX? Can never pronounce these tickers. With OEX. All right, should we have a quick look at, since we're doing O's, should we jump into ODX dead quick? Because I made a video yesterday. If anyone saw the video on ODX, I said it looks like it's finding supports. Hopefully, ODX Amiga Diagnostics Group is finding some support. I won't go into all the technicals of everything that we spoke about yesterday. Please see yesterday's video if you want, if you've not seen it already. And so far, so good. Looks like we found the level of support with ODX. Let's hopefully get a strong close. Ideally, what we want to see is the buyers come back in and test this resistance up ahead, which is going to hopefully test these levels soon, should I say. And that's going to be like, locally, it's going to be like 67, 66, depending on when the buyers will want to come back up. 65. It just depends really, but there's some major levels of resistance with ODX. But if we look at the bigger chart again that I redrew, look at that inverted head and shoulders drop, sell off. This looks like a strong area of support to me. Right, should we have a look at, dead quick look at TERN? Because I made a video on TERN. I think it was, I can't remember when it was. Was it last week or the week before? The week before that I made a quick video on TERN. Price will never do exactly what we want, but if price does what we want within a relatively manageable time frame, right, we're not doing too bad. Right, okay, here we go. So here we got TERN PLC daily chart again. Right, so we're 9.36% up today, 24.1, looking pretty bullish. If you notice with this trend line, I've let price break out. Okay, and I've kept this lower trend line here for a reason, because I wanted to see, we had this triangle break to the low, but now, like I've said before, triangle breaks can sometimes occur to the low. They don't always occur at the top. Okay, so this is like a bull flag, really. Price spiked up. This is kind of like the pole of the flag. And then price comes down. And then price will break out to the low. And then the buyers come back in. It's a pattern that I've seen thousands of times in the charts. So so far so good, right, with TERN, because if we can get the buyers in today, close with a really nice candle, look at the potential for the market structure up ahead with TERN. Currently up at 24.1. We haven't got a lot of data. This is my idea, okay? Made a video on it, doing a recap on it now, obviously. TERN PLC. This is my idea. If we get stabilization, support, this flag, market structure up ahead, some levels, obviously, you know, that it'll want to seek and test. A key level being, of course, let's just look at this key level, you know, 31.6. But I mean, I try and look at the big pictures with these moves. We've got these moves over this past year. 27th, we've been on Twitter for a year, but we've got so many moves correct. Yeah, we've not got every move right, but, you know, you adapt, improvise, overcome. This is why we have stop-loss strategies, risk strategies, you know, money management strategies. When we approach the markets with, you know, with discipline and, you know, we have to have a methodical approach. We can't just be running around using rampers and retweeters, right, to make financial decisions, in my opinion. That is financial suicide, again, in my opinion. Okay, we need a strategy. The market is a machine, right, controlled by the market makers. Whoever these mysterious market makers, that's irrelevant, really. The markets are controlled by forces that we, as individuals, we cannot control the markets. But like I've said many times before, guys, we can control ourselves. All right, we can control ourselves, and we can seek to educate ourselves and learn a skill set instead of like infighting and you know, trollish behavior and all the rest of it. Why don't we just like knuckle down, learn a system, give old Swazers a membership fee with special offers, right? Because this is an economic system that we live for, that we live in, right? Give old Swazers, you know, a fee and come and join the Discord, and I'll teach you this system of technical analysis. Many of the students, you know, believe that it's fabulous, fabulous value for money, and I have to agree with them. All right. Anyway, I'll get off, guys. Okay. GDR 41.4%. Benjo, you're a superstar, mate. That's incredible. Let's just have a quick look. I've not recharted GDR for a while. Oh my days! Look at that. Look at that. And it's great to see. I've got no chart. I clear the decks with the charts. That's what you do now and again. You clear the decks with the charts, and then you rechart it, right? Because you got to keep the TA relevant and fresh. Because if you cling on to old ideas, yeah, you can you can be on that sinking ship when it's going down, right? We've all been there, right? We've all been there. Right, there's hundreds of stocks that we can talk about. I'll get this video uploaded. Guys, if you find this video of any use, right, please give us a retweet, share, or like. I really appreciate it. Okay, and I hope everyone's having a great Friday. I'll get this uploaded, and I'll probably make some more videos today because there's that many tickers that we're tracking, right, as a community in Swazer's Charts Discord. You know, it's crazy, really. I'm turning into more of a content and video creator at the moment, but no problem. All right, hope everyone's a great day, and I'll see you guys knocking around.